Welcome everyone to our next SAP withholding tax configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define business places for withholding tax configuration. So in this activity, you define your business places. Remember that the use of business places is mandatory. So let's create the business places here. Go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Go to financial accounting, then global settings here, then withholding tax, then extended withholding tax, then click on basic settings here, go to India, and here click on define business places. Enter your company code, mine is 7075, then click on new entries here. I am creating same 7075 as a business place. These are the field available, like you can update the details as per your requirement. You can update the business section class here. Then click on save here. Title, it's a company. Region, select the region here. Okay, close it. Yes. Click on save here. Now you can see your business place for this company code is created. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.